Okay, this is a slide of the stomach. So the organ is the stomach, and what you immediately see when you look at it are these large folds. There's 1, 2, 3, and those folds are rugae. So if the pointer is on one of these folds and we say, what is that fold? It's a root. Well, I don't know what the singular is, but anyway, in plural it's rugae, R-U-G-A-E. So folds are rugae, and that's one of the just defining features of the stomach. Okay, and then also the stomach has these little white cracks, which are gastric pits. Okay, so that's another defining feature. So when you're looking at these microscopes trying to differentiate what's what, for the stomach you're looking for these large rugae, the large folds, and then you're looking for these little white cracks, the gastric pits. Okay, and then we can start looking at the layers. So here's the lumen, here's going to be the inside of the stomach. So then just next to that, the layer is going to be the tunica mucosa. So from here, this purple edge, all the way to the back of the pink here, that layer is tunica mucosa. Then the layer after that is tunica submucosa, the orangey layer. Then after that, the pink layer is the tunica muscularis, or muscularis externa. And then after that, this line out here is going to be the tunica serosa. So with the tunica mucosa, the epithelium that's in the innermost part of it is the simple columnar epithelium. So this is simple columnar epithelium. And then here we have this pink structure, and it's like somebody took a paintbrush and drew a line here, as Greg said. And so that pink structure is that muscularis mucosae. It's a strip of muscle that is found within the mucosal layer. So in Latin, saying muscularis mucosae means the muscle of the mucosal layer, or muscle belonging to the mucosal layer. So this structure is muscularis mucosae, and its tissue is smooth muscle. So then we said this layer was the tunica submucosa, and it contains connective tissue. And then we said this layer is the muscularis externa, or tunica muscularis, and it contains smooth muscle tissue. Remember, there's 3 layers of muscle for the stomach. Not that you can differentiate them on a slide, but just to remember that the innermost one is going to be oblique, then circular, then longitudinal. Again, we can't really differentiate it here, so we wouldn't ask you there, but just as like FYI or lecture type question, how many layers of muscle does the stomach have? 3. What are they from innermost to outermost? Oblique, circular, and longitudinal. And then the outermost layer is going to be that tunica serosa.